Alright, me and Chong are now in another area of the Metro Park thing, and they're wrapped around here. There's a bridge that's going over here, and there's water down here. It is pretty. There's like a lot of leaves there. The city probably has to fix up this part, but there's a big, huge wildlife area here. There's probably a lot of deer, I'm thinking, with of course a lot of mosquitoes. We can't forget about them, the little buggers that bite me 24/7. They're wrapped around here. There's a bridge that's going over here, and there's water down